Yes, students, today we are going to start the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. First of all, I want to tell you what is genetics. As you know, every organism from mango tree we get mango, not apple. You know very well. So what is the reason behind it? A mango tree gives always mango, an apple tree always gives the apple. What is the factors? The study of these things is genetics. Organism reproduce formation of offspring of same kind. The resulting offspring most often do not totally resemble the parent. They are produce offspring of same kind, but they are not 100% same. Branch of biology that deals with the inheritance and variation is called genetics. The branch of biology that deals with the study of inheritance and variation. Inheritance, the process by which characters are passed on from parent to offspring, yeah, progeny. Inheritance, the process by which characters are passed on from parent to offspring. Variation, it is the small differences shown by the parents to offspring. जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि जितने भी ऑफस्प्रिंग है वो बिल्कुल पेरेंट्स के साथ एग्जैक्टली मैच नहीं करते. देयर आर द स्मॉल डिफरेंसेस. उन डिफरेंसेस को हम पढ़ेंगे वेरिएशन. Variation, the degree by which progeny differ from their parent. Variation, it is the degree by which progeny differ from their parents. You can understand it by the different methods. For example, even human knew about before 800 to 1000 BC, variation is due to sexual difference. अब ह्यूमन बीइंग को बहुत पहले से पता है, जब से बैक सेंचुरी से अगर आप आइडिया लगाओ तो क्या है, ये वेरिएशन है जो वो किसके कारण है, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. अब यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन बताना चाहता हूँ. व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लोन एंड ऑफस्प्रिंग? व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्लोन एंड ऑफस्प्रिंग? व्हाट आर क्लोन? क्लोन्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय asexual reproduction. Clones are morphologically and genetically similar. Clones are morphologically and genetically similar organisms. And offspring are reproduced by sexual reproduction. And these are morphologically and genetically not similar. There are the small differences. Exploited variation present in wild plants and animals to selectively breed and select organisms with desirable character. Artificial selection and domestication. क्या करते थे हम? आर्टिफिशियल सिलेक्शन करते थे. मान लो कोई काऊ है which gives more milk, we domesticated. Domestication meaning, the meaning of domestication here means domestication of the animal, plants.
Excuse me, sir.
Domestication of the.
Excuse me, sir.
Artificial selection and domestication of wild cow, Sahiwal cow in Punjab, which gives more milk. Sahiwal cow in Punjab, which gives more milk. And now we have to start the terminology. कुछ टर्म्स हैं वो जेनेटिक्स पढ़ने से पहले बड़ी सिंपल से हैं, उनके बारे में बता रहा हूँ. Genetics, it is a branch of biology or life science that deals with the study of heredity and variation. Genetics, it is a branch of life science that deals with the study of heredity and variation. Heredity, it is the transmission of characters. It is the transmission of characters from parents to their offspring. Heredity, it is the transmission of characters from parents to their offspring. Variation, it is a small difference among the offspring and with the parents. Heredity variation, these are genetically and inheritable. Environmental variation, these are acquired and non-inheritable. These are acquired and non-inheritable. George John Mendel, G.J. Mendel, known as the father of genetics. George John Mendel, that is known as the father of genetics. George John Mendel, father of genetics, known as the father of modern genetics. Also, George Mendel developed the principles of heredity while studying the 7 pairs of inherited characters in pea plants. Although the significance of his work was not recognized during his lifetime, it has become the basis for the parent day field of genetics. तो उसकी लाइफ के अंदर उसके वर्क को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया गया. जब बाद में साइंटिस्ट या साइंस डेवलप हुई और उसके बाद फिर उसके वर्क को रिकॉग्नाइज किया. Mendel's approach. What did Mendel do? Conducted hybridization by mixing the two seeds. Artificial pollination, cross pollination experiment for 7 years, 1856 and to 1863. Proposed the law of inheritance. उसने 7 years तक experiment किए और law of inheritance. Applied statistical analysis and mathematical logic for biology problem. Large sampling size, greater credibility to data. Experiments, true breeding, P lines, continuous self-pollination. Confirmation of inference from experiment on successive generation of test plants proved general rules of inheritance. Modern investigated two opposing traits, tall and dwarf, yellow and green seeds. Tall and dwarf and yellow and green seeds. You can understand 7 pairs of contrasting characters selected by Mendel for his experiment, dominant and recessive. Here I want to explain what are dominant. The character which express itself in F1 generation are called dominant character. The character which express itself in F1 generation are called dominant character. The character which does not express itself in F1 generation, that is called recessive trait. Here I want to again explain what are F1 generation. If you take the seeds of the two plants in which the characters of tall and short are sewn together, and you get the first generation, that is called F1 generation. F1 generation, if all the plants are tall, then it is dominant. So here, first of all, I want to tell you the 7 characters: height, tall, and dwarf. Yes, short. Seed shape round and wrinkled, very well clear. Seed color yellow and green. Seed coat color green and white. Pod shape inflated. Pod shaped inflated and the constricted. Pod shaped inflated and constricted. Pod color green and yellow. Flower position axial and terminal. Are you understand the meaning of axial and terminal? Axial means in the side of the branch and terminal means the upper portion, at the near the flower or the end of this. Now you can understand some another terminologies. Phenotype, external appearance of an organism due to the influence of genes and environmental factors. Phenotype, observable character. External appearance. Genotype, genetic constituent of an organism. Genotype means genetic constituent of an. Phenotypic ratio, the correct proportion of phenotype in the population. Genotypic ratio, the correct proportion of genotype in the population. And homozygous, the individual having identical genes in an allelic pair for a character, example capital T and small t. And heterozygous, the individual having an unidentical genes in an allelic pair for the external, capital T and small t for the hybrid ta. Capital T and small t for the hybrid ta. Then dominant gene, the gene that express its character in heterozygous condition. The gene that express its character in heterozygous condition. Recessive, the gene that fails to express its character in heterozygous condition. Hybrid, the progeny obtained by crossing two parents that differ in their characters. Back cross, the cross between F1 hybrid and one of its parents. Back cross, the cross between F1 hybrid and one of its parents. And test cross, the cross between hybrid and its homozygous recessive parents. The cross between hybrid and its homozygous recessive parent is used to identify the genotype of the hybrid. It is used to identify the genotype of the hybrids. Why Mendel selected pea plant? Very important question. Always asked in the exams. Why Mendel selected pea plant? Pure variety are available. सबसे पहले तो एक था कि उसके बिल्कुल variety pure थी, कोई mixing नहीं थी, कोई problem नहीं थी. और जो उसने 7 करेक्टर सेलेक्ट की उनकी 14 वैरायटी इजीली अवेलेबल थी, लाइफ स्पैन भी बहुत कम था। पी प्लांट्स आर इजी टू कल्टीवेट, लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ प्लांट आर ओनली फ्यू मंथ्स सो दैट रिजल्ट कैन बी गोट अर्ली। Contrasting traits are observed. Flowers are bisexual and normally self-pollinated. Flowers can be cross-pollinated only manually. Hybrid are fertile. Hybrid are fertile. Each can be